In this HTML tutorial, we would cover links, or what's usually called the anchor tag or the A tag. Links are used to link from one page to another and to link to external resources. Stay tuned. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at links in HTML. Links are an important concept in HTML. But before we proceed, if you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that we will be creating. The link tag, or what's usually called the anchor tags, are actually denoted with the A tag. And its syntax is very simple. So you have the less than sign A, then you have href equals, and you put the URL of the file that you want to link to, or the URL that you want to link to. Now my text editor automatically closes off the A tag, and you then place the text of the link here, and that would be the clickable portion of the link that would allow visitors to link to other pages. Now let's see how we can link to an external URL such as google.com. So in that case, we just come and type here https www.google.com, and then in our text we'll just put go to Google. So once we refresh, there's a link created here that allows you to go to Google. Once I click on this link, it will take us to Google. And this is how you can easily link to an external URL. But let us see how we can link to an internal file. So we have our internal file system here. We have pages, we have images. And we have, under pages, we have the home page, the about page, the blog page, and the contact page. So let's say we are in index.html and we want to go back to the home page. So we would have to create a relative URL that allows us to access our home page. So let's see how we can create a relative URL to access our home page. So let us delete. Okay, now let's still leave this and then create a paragraph here just to distinguish. Let me use some gibberish. Lorem ipsum. So let's say we want to create a link that goes to our home page. So we say a href equals, here our home page is in a folder called pages / home.html, and then we close off our A tag. Now once I refresh, well, sorry, I didn't put any text. So let's just put some text in between our A tags here. So let's say we put it NMG, let's make it NMG Academy Homes. So once I refresh, a new link is created here, NMG Academy Home. And once you click on that link, it will take us to this particular file in our file system. So once I click on this link, I am getting an error somewhere, but when I immediately look in my address bar, I can see that we have NMG courses / pages / home.html. This could be traced back to the base URL that we created, which basically puts every relative file against this URL, which is nmgcourses.com, but we don't have that created in the World Wide Web. So what we do is that we delete line 15, and basically we can then have our output correctly. So let me delete that, what didn't appear well. And now once I click on NMG Academy, it takes us to the homepage of NMG Academy. And this is how simple it is to link one page and another. If you have liked this video, consider hitting the like button. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that we are creating. Thank you very much for your time.